So how do you slow down music on the iPhone? Let's get started. If this is your first time on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important, right? So you obviously have more ways or more options on how exactly you want to achieve it, right? So you have the ability, for example, to just open up your YouTube app. A lot of people just play videos or some music through this. And inside of the YouTube, you have some great features which are honestly not really in other applications. So you can, for example, open up a video like this, and you can click on the options or settings for that video, so you can change the quality and whatnot. But there is also the playback speed, and this allows you to slow it down to as low as 0.25x, right? So this is just how it works. You can slow down any type of video, and that's how you can just play it, right? So that's pretty simple, actually. On the other hand, there are more ways how you can technically do this, because you also have the ability to check out some different apps on the App Store, which allow you to change the speed of your music, right? So for example, what you can do is to open up the App Store where you download all of your apps and download a slow downer app, right? So there are apps like this, or there is an application called AnyTune, and those apps allow you to slow down your existing MP3 files on your device. So if you have, for example, a music which you have created yourself through GarageBand or whatever, right, you can import it into this kind of application and you can slow it down, right, to just get more out of the song or out of the file, right? So I just wanted to explain how it works. Let me know if you need some additional options or if there are some other features which you have in mind. Let me know about that and share your thoughts below. Subscribe for more tutorials and upcoming videos like this one, and I'll see you later.